part where it describe the code of the 4 main advanced functionalities. Let's get straight into it. So the first one is a location activity. So basically what this page does, it gets the current GPS location using the Fuse location client, and basically displays it using a text view. So as you can see, I've added a text view, and basically you can also share your location via GPS, WhatsApp, or messages. And so basically what this code all means, it uses a client and API to retrieve the location from where the MacBook is in this instance, or a car, as it's car themed, and it shows where the MacBook is using coordinates. And for example, I've added an if and else statement at the very bottom here. So if it's unable to find your MacBook location, as if your GPS is off and location tracking is off, it's going to display a text as unable to get location. And this is where I've used the map search API query. Okay, and that's how you get the location, and that's how basically the location API works. Now for the second, one of the key features actually also of this is it basically gets the coordinates. It shares, you can share the location using the Google Maps, and you can also retrieve the last known detection found. And they're the key features of the location activity. Moving on, we're going to go into the driving behavior activity. So basically what the driving behavior activity does, it gets the patterns of harsh activities, braking, acceleration, and it uses this behavior by clicking the button by using a bar chart view. So for example, if I click it once, the bar chart is going to go up once, and if I keep pressing it, goes higher and higher. And I've also implemented where I can format this into a CVS format. So it's going to be going to your internal storage, and you can see how fast and harsh you've used it. You can also use it like this. It basically uses the event log and uses a chart to update it, and uses the sensors. Moving on to the next one after the driving behavior, it's going to be the driving session. Now the driving session basically allows us to tap a button to set the rhythm of the current mood. So basically it depends on the mood. So every 5 to 10 taps it changes the mood based on the text. And I've also implemented the raw file so it connects to it. So all of these songs return using a YouTube URL API, and it plays the song. And I can show you here where I added the 5. See here, I've added tap size 5 greater than 5, and then it changes. This is so you don't need to keep it. If you spam once, it just keeps on changing. I feel like 5 or more is way like cooler and near. Moving on to the next one, it's gonna be the driver. It's gonna be the speed activity. Now the speed activity, what basically it means is it depends on what the speed you're going at, and it shows you via the phone movement. And it also shows the accuracy of the location, so it tells by where you're moving at what speed, etc. And that's about it. Thank you.